Nice, right? Very misty weather. Good that we see the view. Illusion bar.
Yeah.
Super.
Mute.
Here we have gym.
Oh, it's glass.
Aladdin, right?
Yeah, let's go to obvious. Welcome to Clerks Exotica.
Badminton court. This is squash court. 70 acres. Time is 11:30.
Sit down.
ഓർമ്മകൾ തൻ പൊയ്കയിൽ മഞ്ഞു തുള്ളിയാ. Now you are going to watch part 2 of Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa. Second day in Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa, Bangalore. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. More than a decades of experience in providing excellence in guest safety, comfort and hygiene, Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa has now upgraded to a newly clinically cleaned standard of hygiene protocol as they welcome us back. It's dinner time. Let's go to Ambrosia. You know what is the meaning of Ambrosia? According to Greek mythology, Ambrosia is food or a drink. If we consume that, we will be immortal.
So if I eat food from
Yeah.
that
So
restaurant,
if we eat food from that restaurant,
we'll become immortal.
we'll become immortal. Right? Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go to Ambrosia for our dinner.
Drinks. Hopefully it will be open now.
Where are you going? Ganymede. Ganymede is still there. Nanda,
Yeah.
this is Ambrosia.
Yep. So if we eat food from the ambrosia, will we become immortal?
Yeah.
Funny.
Wow, colorful. Coming from that side.
Boom, baby. What's that?
The ambience of Ambrosia is changed now with the lights. Right?
Yep.
So, dinner starting with soup. This is a new item. This is fish salad, vegetables. This is another item, grilled cottage cheese salad,
Okay.
sprouts bean salad and other vegetables. This is again same, right? Yeah, colorful pastries are there.
Yes. Oh, this is blackcurrant cheesecake. This
Cheesecake,
mocha truffle tart. Oh, rasgulla. You know I'm going to take it. Oh, ice cream is also there again.
malpua. Malpua, I don't know how to pronounce.
Funny name.
This is
Rasgulla. Mocha truffle tart. And
Okay.
Francia cake.
Nanda,
Hopefully pasta
Have
is
you
there
seen
again.
this?
Yeah, I saw this morning. I told you to take a picture, but no.
Wow. Good, right?
Yeah. I
I
observed
didn't
it
observe
fast.
this. Wow, very nice.
And look at that.
Chinese fried fish in salt and pepper. Mangaluru chicken curry.
Methi
Methi
murga.
murg. Veg nadar ki kullar.
Indian breads.
Assorted
Awesome.
Indian bread.
Awesome sauce.
Roti. Butter garlic noodle.
Fried
Stir beans with
tofu.
tofu.
What's this?
Achar baked veg.
No.
Patani korma. Kadai paneer. Veg malai kulfa. Hyderabadi veg biryani.
Nope.
Steamed rice.
man.
Dal makhani.
Rasam.
Rasam.
Looks like-
So let's grab. Come.
Yes.
So many varieties.
But sit in a clean place,
Veg and
ma.
non-veg available.
Look at the donut jar.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I don't feel like eating anything. It's like,
You took the cutleries?
yeah.
Okay.
Sit.
Yeah, go there. That side. Started? Not like lunch, right?
Yeah.
More items than lunch. Different items, right?
Yeah.
See, I have taken again different type of fish dishes. This one is the salad, and this is another Chinese fish fry.
Ooh, Chinese. Chinese.
Hyderabadi biryani. You are taking roti. Yeah. Nanda noodles. Even I have taken soup. This is sweet corn soup.
Oh.
Let's start.
Yep. How is it?
Nice. So, done?
Yep.
Done with dinner?
Yes.
See the flight?
Yeah. Too bad I can't see which one it
Oh, we
is.
can't see, right?
Oh, little bit I can see. Oh, no, I can't.
So, this is the night view.
Iris. I know who Iris is.
Sinanda told you, right? This is a Greek themed resort.
Yeah. First when I saw that Iris name, I thought it was the Egyptian goddess because
Yeah,
that's
this is
what I
a
learned.
Greek goddess.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Iris is a Greek goddess. See, calm and quiet, right? Only disturbance is flights, right? But
For me,
rooms are
it's-
soundproof.
For me, it's not a disturbance. It's so cool to see the flights very near. I've never seen a flight like this before.
Yeah, the airport is near, Nanda.
No wonder I could see the flight nearby.
Yeah, another flight is coming.
Oh,
Oh, we
look,
can't
look.
see, right? It's very misty. Oh, so fast it is going.
Yeah, like a jet. I think it's Indigo. How do I know if it is Indigo or AirAsia now? Great. I'm a fan of checking all the names. Ganymede got him to the gods. Is this the place where that happened? Then why did I put the statue there? Is there any story behind the name? Write down in the comments.
See, this block is.
Olympus. Exotica.
See the lights here? Come here. Wow, see this.
Wow. Beautiful.
Colorful.
Yeah. Without the
All the indoor games will close by 7 o'clock night. So we can try tomorrow. This is squash court. Nanda, you asked me, right?
yeah.
Illusion. That is illusion bar. Very nice, right?
Yeah. Is it an optical illusion bar?
No. See, we can go there and take a drink and enjoy the swimming pool.
Yeah. Look, this is not a flight.
See the view?
Nice.
Calm and quiet, right?
Yeah.
I think party is done.
Yep. Thank goodness.
I like this. See this? The reflection in the water.
Yep.
Illusion bar.
Illusion bar. And look at the time there. You always tell to me not to go near, right? And now you're only going near. Wow, I can only see that tree house over there. In the oh, I'm ready to get out of here.
So this is the Illusion Launch Bar. Wow, nice ambience, right?
Yep.
Superb. See this? Oh, there is a big aquarium here.
Yeah.
This will open till 11 o'clock.
Oh.
Here no one is there. Very nice. See this? See the counter? Looks great.
Yeah, it's colorful.
Good. Nanda, see this? These are all the Greek weapons.
Think so?
Hmm. See. Illusion Lounge Bar, Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa, Bangalore. See here, this is indoor games, right?
Yep. I want to play this now.
We will play tomorrow.
No, I want to play now. I love this game.
Okay.
Why did they put O and A upside down in the illusion lounge bar?
That is
like
illusion, right?
Yeah.
That is why illusion.
And look at the L again.
After drinking, this will be like this.
Or after drinking, might come straight again. And we'll file a lawsuit. Dad,
Back to room.
left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. General salute, salute.
Nanda, watching news.
Yeah.
You're sitting here. Come, we'll go. Yeah, very nice. A misty morning at Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa, Bangalore. Another day starts with coffee. Very misty weather. Time is 7:30, still cloudy and misty. Newspaper. So, Sunday Times. Just came out for a walk. A very chilled weather. We'll go this side.
Yeah.
This is footpath. You see that?
Yeah.
Seventh Heaven Wellness Spa. Oh, this is also very big building, right? Yeah, here we have gym.
Yeah.
So this is body span
Yeah.
gym.
High-tech fitness center.
So these are all the convention halls, conference halls. Done with workout. Now going to the other places. Now we are going back to room. We need to come here for breakfast. We will take Nanda and come. Okay? Nanda, breakfast time.
Yes.
Again we'll go to?
Ambrosia.
Yeah. Time is around 9 o'clock,
What?
but still misty.
And cold. Shall I show you something?
Yeah.
See here.
Yeah, I
Bottle
saw that
Blake.
yesterday.
One
Kettle.
bottle.
It starts with coffee and tea, juice, pongal, idli, vada, sambar, chutneys, puri, chole, aloo paratha, potato roast, boiled egg,
Again.
chicken sausage. Here we have fruits,
Banana, watermelon, papaya, hot milk and cold
milk,
cornflakes, wheat
Cornflakes.
flakes, and chocolates.
bread toaster, cake, bakeries are there.
Yeah.
Good. Sausage. Enjoying sausage? Enjoying your breakfast?
Yes. Four sausages.
Mm-hmm. Ah, that's enough. Sit there, Shami. Again, for breakfast also have a lot of varieties. South Indian, English breakfast, right?
Yeah, I'd rather eat this type of English breakfast because it's so yummy.
Yeah. How's the breakfast?
Awesome, awesome.
Had heavy breakfast.
Who said? I just eat this much things.
I saw that. We are going to play area now.
Yes.
See, 10:30 now.
Still misty.
Yeah. See the weather.
So misty and cold.
See,
Do you want to cycle again?
they are providing the cycle as well.
Do you want to
We-
cycle?
Per hour, we need to pay 200 rupees. 200
Come on,
rupees
let's go.
rent for cycle. See, cloudy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the play area. Monkey bus.
Nope.
Fake grass, Nanda.
What?
Fake grass.
Yeah.
Nanda, swing is there.
What?
Swing.
Yeah, I want to play it now. Little later. Idea.
What is this?
Ah.
Right?
Yeah, we have to put ball. No fast! Never! So what? It's just drizzling.
See this? Today also cloudy weather. Good that we tried the slides yesterday. What is that?
This is how we use this thing. It's on YouTube.
See this shimmy flower? Pink flower, right?
It's like Japanese flower. Japan's flower, I mean.
Somebody smoking from there.
Feel like going to the water slide again. Ma, want to play?
Swing. Yeah.
Whee! Where's the roundabout?
Day 2 in Clerks Exotica Resorts and Spa, Bangalore. We had a wonderful breakfast. Now Nanda is playing in play area. Very bad weather, cloudy. It's drizzling. Good that we covered the water slides yesterday itself.
You're tickling.
Our checkout time is 12 o'clock. We will try to cover some more attractions here. Then we will check out at 12 o'clock.
Attempt number 2.
Failed.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouchie.
Done.
No, I'm not.
Today crowded, right? So many kids are there playing in the slides.
Yeah, I want. Yeah, but I want to go again.
See, that glass, that is glass.
Oh, it's glass.
Yeah.
But it's steel.
Nice, right?
Ice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Illusion. Bar is open. Launch bar. Here, a beautiful kids zone is there. Want to see? See, well-maintained kids room. We need to remove our footwear.
Yeah.
Oh, everything is there, right?
Yeah.
See the bed?
So,
That's right. See basketball. Good.
And look at this mini deer. What's this?
See the soft toys hanging.
Yeah. And there's even a big Barbie there. It's not Superman. Spider-Man,
Oh, that's
Iron
Spider-Man.
Man,
This is
Batman.
Superman.
Ah, that's Superman. I wish there was Captain America. What's
All
this
superheroes
supposed
are
to
there,
be?
right? Aladdin, right?
Yeah, Aladdin and Jasmine.
Benton.
Yeah, Benton. I hate Benton.
Okay.
Okay.
Come. We'll go to the table tennis area.
Woo!
No, you can't take this for kids.
Yeah.
So here, table tennis room.
Yeah, what about the other?
Timing 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So this is a big table tennis room.
Of course it is. It's a table tennis court, obviously.
Very big, right? 4 tables are there. Well maintained, right? Come, Nanda.
So,
We'll go and see the other activities.
yeah, I want to see the indoor games and outdoor games.
What?
I want to see the indoor and outdoor games. No! Celsia Lounge?
Nice.
No, let's not go there. Hers.
Oh, this is also locked. That is the activity room.
Where? Multi-purpose hall badminton. Hello and welcome to Clerks Exotica. May I have your reservation?
So this is multi-purpose hall, badminton court. Wow, very huge, very big
Yeah, it
badminton
is.
court. See this? There is gallery as well, right? We can conduct tournaments here. So this is the
Finish.
big hall, badminton court. Reach there?
Now I can see the aerial view. Ooh, there's a surprise.
We'll see what is there. Billiard room. So this is a paid game. You need to pay. See Nanda here?
Ooh.
Card room. So this is chess, carom, gymnasium, library.
Wow, library is also near us. Sure.
See,
Take the
Shammi?
bigger one.
Chessboard. See the glass roof. Caroms.
Yep. Oh,
These are all
something.
free games included in the package.
Nice. So where's the coin?
This is squash court. This is also included in the package. See. See, library is also closed.
Come on.
We need to ask the activity team for the key, library key. Here, card room and billiard room, that is also closed.
Maybe. These are also rooms.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We'll go and see the outdoor games, outdoor activities.
Ooh, say less.
No rope activities and all.
Oh, I thought there was some route here.
Nice, right?
Yeah. Awesome weather, right? Yeah.
Right.
So this is some type of
Oh, what
garden?
is this? Pond.
nice. Looks artificial though.
Background is also good, right? The building.
I want to go on the grass place.
Lawn. See the building?
Yeah.
Looks nice.
If we were staying here, it would be more nice.
See
right?
here? Come. Yeah.
This place is photostat ready. Oh,
Very
it
nice.
leads to the rooms.
Very beautiful property. Spread over 70 acres. The buildings also looking very beautiful. Keep watching Tint and Travel. Here, outdoor games and activities. This is also very wide area. See that? Very nice.
Nice hut.
This is other location in this property. This is also very nice.
Nice.
Wow, see this? Temple tree. Yeah. Nice. Time is 11:30. 12 o'clock we need to check out, right?
Yeah. Oh, baby. Lucan and bamboo look so similar.
Still cloudy.
Yeah. It's going to be 12 still, right? Still, the weather is very bad.
ഏതമൃതം തോൽക്കുമൻ തേനിനെ നീ തന്നുപോയി ഓർമ്മകൾ തൻ പൊയ്കയിൽ മഞ്ഞു തുള്ളിയായി. We had a wonderful staycation here. Now we are going to check out. So we checked out.
Yes! So we are in Swiss Town.
Now going back to home. With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.